Yo, what's up? It's the homie Sweets, and I'm just vibing right now, man. I'm big chilling. Actually, today, what we're gonna get into, we're gonna go into nature, we're gonna chat. Me and Luna, we're gonna go to this fucking park or trail. It's like, it's kind of far. Actually, I haven't been going to a lot of, I haven't been out in nature too often, besides like walking around like the city. I feel like it's like nothing compared to me just like walking endless trails and going to the park all the time, like what I would do back home. So I've kind of been neglecting nurturing nature, just vibing out with nature, and I high key miss that shit. No cap, I really do. So today, why not do that today? And I don't know. Decided to look real fly for nature, because she hasn't seen me in a while. Gonna look my best for her. Also, just washed my hair, so the curls are like the rest of my hair is gonna be like the rest of my hair is pretty flat, because it's wet. So I would be like it's glued to my head. So the volume is like gone, non-existent. But I'm gonna let the bangs out because I can't be looking like a bald bitch out here. No offense if you're bald. You could always wear a wig. But no, I'm gonna show you my fit, and then we're gonna drive to the place where the nature's at. Everything's kind of like far, but I feel like if you live in a small town, what I say is far is not far, because like you live in a small town, you're gonna drive everywhere. Like an hour is nothing to you, and an hour is nothing to me now. But I'm still used to just driving like 15 minutes away to everything, or being 20 minutes away to everything, living in a big city. But to each their own. To each their own. Alright, let me show you my fit. Regular pants, and then this brown shirt with my green hat. You can't even see me. My green hat. I call this designer by UPS. But nah, we're gonna head into the car and skedaddle to the nature. So I'll see you. Yo, what's up, guys? We're on the trail, so we've been walking this trail for quite some time now. It's pretty dope. It's like, I don't know. All the trees are kind of bent. I think because of like the slope and also like the sunlight, probably. Like this tree got a gangster lean to it. Actually, a lot of these trees have a gangster lean to it. You can tell. A little quick, a little shot, a little sneak peek. There's also like this gate that says like keep out, but like I'm gonna pretend I'm illiterate and walk on by. So we're basically at the end of the trail. It's a really small trail, like 10-minute walk, and it's supposed to lead to a waterfall. But all the like comments on Google Maps is like, waterfall, California's in a drought. I mean, I'm assume so. I'm going to assume so, mainly just because it's more like a faucet drip more than a waterfall. But it was really enjoyable just to be out here. Um, that's really it, man. We just walked this little trail. I wanted to see what it was hitting for, and it's hitting pretty nice. Let's see what it's hitting for. Yo, LA Cara, hilarious. But yeah, it's really just really quiet here, very peaceful. I think I just might sit here, be with my thoughts, and let Luna explore. She's off leash now, cause like nobody's back here, nobody's been on this trail the whole time, so like she's free to wander and explore, do her own shit. Wow, just probably sit. I brought my journal, so maybe I'll write something. I don't know. I usually just journal when I feel like I want to journal, or like when I have the feeling to. Kind of haven't had that yet, but if it happens, it happens. Luna, come here. Wow. You wanna say hi? You wanna say hi? Luna is so soft. I wish you guys could just feel her, but she is so soft and shiny. She's honestly my fucking homie. My fucking homie. This is the nigga right here. Ooh. But like, you guys are like on a fucking like a rock, really awkwardly placed. Cause if I were to stand up, I'm just gonna get my waist action. But that's it. I'm gonna show you up close the waterfall. Yeah. The way that these like leaves on the fucking water drip is like waving, like in the wind, they're like dancing in the wind. It's like they're waving to me. Like I'm not even fried, but like on some like nature loving shit. That's how I feel about these waving ass. You gotta wave to the nature, bro. Wave to the nature. Wave. Yo, look at the fucking background. The water drip. But yeah, I've just been sitting here. Probably gonna continue to sit here, vibe out. Then I'm like always listening to music, so I'm always vibing out, to be honest, especially in nature. Ain't nobody tell me shit. Cause I definitely like broke the rules and hopped that fence, you know. But it's whatever. No one really cares. It was worth it. Would I come here again? Hell yeah. I'll come here again. No questions asked. It's like it's pretty chill. Honestly, there's like a lot of shit like when you come here. So like, I might just like dive off the path and like explore. They got some mountain lions. I ain't never seen a mountain lion before. Have you guys seen a mountain lion before? Do they eat people? I don't know. I hope they don't like black people. Damn, I am well seasoned though. So they might. But yeah, I'm just gonna be sitting here for a bit, vibing out. I mean, it took me like 30 minutes to get here, and like 10 minutes to walk here. It'd be a shame to just go 10 minutes here and back, and then driving. So I might as well enjoy this, especially since I don't just be out in nature like I used to anymore. It kind of sucks. the convenience of having multiple parks like 20 minutes away is just like, I'm privileged, bro. I was privileged to be in the city. But besides that, we're just gonna be vibing here. And that might be the end of this vlog, to be honest. So if it is, catch you later, guys. Make sure you stay safe. Go out in nature, enjoy yourself. Really just vibe out with the plants, man. Wave to the trees, cause they're waving to you. It's rude not to wave back. Don't be rude to the trees, man. They give you air. They give you that oxygen. Homie over here is probably providing somebody's drinking water. I don't know whose, but somebody's. So just, I don't know. Appreciate nature. Say 3 things that you love about yourself, and that's it. See you later. Deuces. You let the homies give you a treat. Yes? Yes. Okay, you know what you gotta do. Dap me up, homie. Let's go. Dap me up. There you go. Ooh, is it good? Is it good? This is mad good. It's fire, bro. Only the finest treats for you, my guy.